employees volunteered with Safe Kids Worldwide at Miles Elementary School for the I'm a Mercedes Safe Kid program. Volunteers help students through 4 interactive exhibits focusing on pedestrian, passenger, bike, and water safety. We are proud of our partnership with Safe Kids Worldwide and Miles Elementary School and are grateful for the support of our Mercedes-Benz volunteers.
It is just a great experience, especially because kids are having the opportunity to stop at different stations, and you can see the different personalities. They all want to win, and they all win because they are having a great experience and learning from each station.
Today we partner with Safe Kids Worldwide to teach and educate kids on safe walking behaviors. Going through this game, it will teach you how to cross the street, paying attention to the crosswalks, to look both ways when crossing the street.
Today I'm teaching the kids helmet safety, making sure that the helmet fits and that they're ready to go when they're riding a bike, scooter, and all those things, and that they're safe while doing it.
Today at Safe Kids, I've been teaching the kids all about seatbelt safety. It's really enlightening to be able to help them understand the right way to wear the seatbelt.
When we collaborate, it makes the experience much better for the students, so we all win.
I've just seen a bunch of kids that are eager to learn and they just want to win the game.
Some kids are coming up and hugging us and thanking us for being here, so it's just the best way to feel.
Our youth will become our future, and if we can promote safety, the world will be a better place.